Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, we should tap once on the switcher. If you want to turn off silent mode, we should click on the switcher once again. Just also get one more way how we can do that. When the silent mode is activated, our ringtone is muted. So just to activate silent mode, we should mute ringtone volume panel, and to turn it off, we should unmute the ringtone volume. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you will see here the silent mode switcher. Just click once on the silent mode switcher to activate silent mode or just to turn it off. And one more way how we can do that, let's press up or down volume button. You will see then here this bell icon. Just to activate silent mode, we should tap on this bell to switch it to the cross bell, and to turn it off we should switch to the cross bell, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.